choppy, looking good.
Where'd you get the cool new sweater?
Came in the mail. It's from Santa Claus. He made it to keep Nazi warm when he visits Santa in Islanda.
Let's stop the dance, bring the easy. Shut, 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 shoo! Shut, 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 shoo! Oh, Capitana. Ah, shoo! I can't. Wait, ah, shoo! Stop! Crazy! I thought we were going down to the cold.
Wait, right here. This sounds like a job for Dr. Shirley. I'll check your vital signs.
Oh!
Follow my finger with your eye.
Oh!
Wow, aside from the fact that your eyeballs aren't supposed to be able to do that, I can't find anything wrong with you.
Then why's he coloring all those red dots? Ah!
Oh, they're itchy too.
What do you think, Dr. Shree?
I get the little doctor.
Wait, there's a little doctor, my internet irregularity.
2000. Two.
How can we be sure?
Ah.